Let's start this video with some important topic. Talcum powder. You know, it is very important cosmetic product. So talcum powder is made up of a mineral called talc, which contains elements like magnesium, silicon and oxygen. Next topic is fuels. You know what are the fuels? Yes, fuels are the substances which on combustion produce large amount of heat energy that can be used. Example, cooking gas, petrol, diesel, etc. Next, enzymes. Our body is a mobile chemical factory which uses food, water and oxygen as raw materials. These substances undergo a series of changes with the help of chemicals called enzymes that are secreted by our body. Next, hormones. These are the chemicals, or we can say these are the group of chemicals secreted in our body to control various activities. Then HCl means hydrochloric acid. It is produced in our stomach, which helps in the digestion of food. Now let's discuss some full form. Clear? Like TNT, full form of TNT, trinitrotoluene. DDT, diphenyl trichloroethane. BHC, benzene hexachloride. LSD, lysergic acid diethylamide. RDX, rapid detonating explosives. Clear? Now, let's discuss the dark side of chemistry. Chemistry misused by unscrupulous people has also been endangering human society. It has given rise to the menace of harmful drugs and their bulk processing like LSD, cocaine, brown sugar, heroin, angel dust, etc. that cripple the society. Chemistry has also developed deadly explosives like TNT, RDX, and the atomic and hydrogen bombs. Now I am going to discuss some great chemists and their contribution to chemistry. So the first one is Robert William Boyle. Robert William Boyle is known as father of modern chemistry. He defined elements, compounds and mixture. Then next is Antoine Lavoisier. He named the elements carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and discovered the role of oxygen in combustion and respiration. Now the next is John Dalton. He proved that matter consists of small individual particles called atoms. For this, he proposed the atomic theory, which was later on called Dalton's atomic theory. Next, Dmitry Mendeleev. He is best known for his discovery of periodic law and formulation of periodic table of elements. Next is Acharya P.C. Ray, who did useful work in the development of mercury compounds. Next, Alfred Nobel. He was nicknamed Merchant of Death because he made a fortune through the manufactures of explosives. The Nobel Prizes are awarded for outstanding achievements in the fields physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, economics and peace after his name. These awards are given every year on his death anniversary, that is the 10th December. Next is Marie Curie. She was a pioneer in the study of nuclear chemistry. She discovered the radioactive metal radium. She was the first woman who won the Nobel Prize. She was also the first person and the only lady who received the Nobel Prize a second time. She also developed a portable X-ray machine which saved many lives during World War I. Joseph Priestley discovered oxygen. Daniel Rutherford discovered nitrogen and worked on radioactivity. Sir Humphrey Davy isolated potassium and sodium and devised a safety lamp. William Ramsay discovered the inert gases, and inert gases are helium, neon, argon, xenon, krypton and radon. Michael Faraday, he discovered the laws of electrolysis. Then the Henry Cavendish discovered hydrogen. Clear? So this all is about today. Next topic I'll discuss in the next video. Till then, have a nice day.